In a world where the pursuit of health and wellness is paramount, there's one humble vegetable that stands out among the rest: broccoli. But what makes broccoli so special? Join me on a journey through time as we uncover the fascinating history and health benefits of this cruciferous wonder. In fields of green, a crown does grow, a veggie jewel, in sun's warm glow. Broccoli, oh broccoli, verdant and bold, in gardens, its story has long been told. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. Our story begins thousands of years ago, in the lands of ancient civilizations. Broccoli's earliest ancestors were cultivated by the Egyptians, celebrated for their nutritional value and medicinal properties. Ancient texts reveal that these early farmers revered broccoli for its ability to promote health and vitality. It was considered a gift from the gods. As time passed, broccoli made its way across continents, finding its place in medieval Europe. It became a staple in monastery gardens and royal feasts. During the Renaissance, broccoli gained popularity among the aristocracy for its delicate flavor and culinary versatility. It wasn't until the 16th century that broccoli gained popularity in England, thanks to the efforts of some innovative gardeners who introduced it to the country. From there, it eventually found its way to the Americas, where it quickly became a staple in many households. But it wasn't until the 20th century that science uncovered the true potential of broccoli. Researchers began to unravel the mysteries of its nutritional composition. Broccoli emerged as a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for optimal health. With florets tight, like tiny trees, it sways and whispers in the breeze. Today, broccoli is cultivated on every continent except Antarctica, enriching diets and promoting health worldwide. But broccoli's influence extends beyond just nutrition. It's also a culinary delight. From crispy roasted florets to creamy soups, the versatility of broccoli knows no bounds. This humble vegetable has been nourishing and delighting people for centuries. Rich in vitamins, a nutrient trove, it fills our bodies with love, fiber, vitamins, antioxidants too. Broccoli, we sing praises to you. Studies have shown that regular consumption of broccoli can lower the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer and diabetes. Its unique compounds, such as sulforaphane, have been hailed for their potent anti-cancer properties. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and even support healthy digestion. Let's take a closer look at some of the reasons why you should be incorporating more of this green goodness into your diet. These powerful substances may help prevent the development of various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Heart health. The presence of fiber, folate, and antioxidants in broccoli makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Bone strength. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. It helps promote bone density and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis, particularly in older adults. Detoxification. The unique combination of antioxidants and sulfur-containing compounds found in broccoli make it a natural detoxifier. From steamed to roasted, in dishes diverse, you're a culinary universe. In salads, soups, and stir-fried delight, you bring color and flavor, oh so bright. Cooking and preparation. Now that you know just how beneficial broccoli can be, you might be wondering about the best ways to prepare it. While steaming or lightly sautéing are excellent options for preserving its nutrients, don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Recipe: healthy roasted broccoli with garlic and lemon. Ingredients: 1 large head of broccoli, cut into florets, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 lemon, zest and juice, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, optional, fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Prepare the broccoli. Wash and thoroughly dry the broccoli florets. Make sure they are cut into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure even roasting. Season the broccoli. In a large bowl, toss the broccoli florets with olive oil, minced garlic, lemon zest, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes, if using. Arrange on baking sheet. Spread the seasoned broccoli in a single layer on a baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding the pan to ensure the broccoli roasts rather than steams. Roast the broccoli. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and roast for 20–25 minutes, or until the broccoli is tender and slightly browned at the edges. Add lemon juice. Once the broccoli is done, remove it from the oven and immediately squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top. Toss to combine. Optional garnishes. If desired, sprinkle the roasted broccoli with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley. Serve. Transfer the broccoli to a serving dish and enjoy it while it's hot. Enjoy your healthy, flavorful roasted broccoli as a side dish or a light snack. Both broccoli and cauliflower are cruciferous vegetables, meaning they are part of the Brassica genus within the Brassicaceae family. Some other well-known cruciferous vegetables include cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, and bok choy. It is time for a funny dialogue between broccoli and cauliflower. They are arguing about who is a better veggie. Cauliflower: "Hey broccoli, have you ever noticed how my florets are just so much more majestic than yours?" Broccoli: "Oh please, cauliflower. Your florets may be big and puffy, but they lack the depth and character of mine. Mine have that perfect little green crown." Cauliflower: "Depth and character? Please. My florets are like little clouds of deliciousness, while yours are just, well, kinda plain." Broccoli: "Plain? Excuse me. My florets are the epitome of broccoli brilliance. They're like tiny green trees of flavor, packed with nutrients and crunch." Cauliflower: "Crunch? Ha ha ha. My florets are versatile. You can roast them, mash them, even turn them into pizza crust. What can you do with your florets other than dunk them in ranch dressing?" Broccoli: "Hey now, don't you dare insult my florets' dunkability. They're perfect for dipping, steaming, stir-frying. You name it. And they're a superstar in salads too." But let's face it, cauliflower reigns supreme in the realm of colorful florets. Broccoli: "Oh, cauliflower, you may think you're the king of the veggie patch, but when it comes to florets, broccoli rules the branch, and that's a fact." Cauliflower: "Fine, broccoli, if you want to live in your green fantasy world, go ahead. But for now, let's just agree that we're both pretty amazing veggies in our own unique ways." Cauliflower: "Agreed. Broccoli: "Agreed. Now, let's go make some veggie stir-fry and settle this debate over dinner." Here's to broccoli, noble and green, a vegetable superstar, unseen. In gardens, kitchens, and on our plate, you nourish us well, our broccoli mate. Stay happy and healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.